Hi guys, let's see how to prevent automatic driver installation in Windows 11 computer. Just right click on the start button and then click on settings. Now once this settings panel opens up, click on system from the left menu and in the right side scroll down and find about. Just click on about and now scroll down and click on advanced system settings. Now click on hardware, then click on device installation settings, select no and then click on save changes, then click on OK, and that's it. You have just prevented automatic driver installation in Windows 11 computer. That's it guys. Please do like the video.